Hi guys, so we just talked about Confucianism, which was a way of thinking in China. So now we're going to learn about legalism, which was also a way of thinking or a school of philosophy. Okay, so legalism was a school of philosophy that became popular in China during the time known as the Warring States period, which lasted from 475 to 221 BCE. The philosophers Han Feizi, Li Si, and Xiang Yang were all legalists. Their work influenced the rulers of the Qin dynasty, which was founded when the Warring States period ended in 221 BCE. Qin Shi Huangdi was the first ruler of the Qin dynasty, and he adopted legalism. Okay, so we're talking about the first ruler of the Qin dynasty. His name was Qin Shi Huangdi, and he was the one who really brought and adopted legalism into it. Okay, so it's just a way of thinking, and we're going to learn about it. Legalists believed that people were naturally selfish and would only behave well if they were forced to do so. As a result, the way to ensure proper behavior was through a system of laws that clearly spelled out how people should behave. It created harsh punishments for people who did not follow the laws. Legalists believed that a strong leader was necessary to ensure harmony among people. So they also passed laws that increased the power of the rulers. The harsh policies associated with legalism eventually led to the overthrow of the Qin dynasty and a movement away from this philosophy. Okay, so when we talked about Confucianism, it was based on basically being nice and doing good and respecting people. So legalist or legalism doesn't really think that way. Legalists thought that people were selfish and they weren't going to be good people and they weren't going to behave well unless they were forced to do so. So, in order to force people to be good people and behave well, they put a system of laws into place, okay? And these laws told people how they should act. So, it wasn't nice, and there were really harsh punishments, or by harsh punishments, it means if you did something wrong, then something bad happened to you. Okay, so you needed to follow the rules. So this didn't go over too well. The policies were really a little bit too mean, and eventually legalism was overthrown. And the Qin dynasty was overthrown, and China moved away from this philosophy of legalism.